Hey everybody, here we are jumping into our first game playing the Druid Engine Combo deck. We're in the play for this game. So this hand doesn't do anything turn 2, but turn 3 we can play a Paradox Engine. I think we need to mulligan this. We need more creatures, more mana dorks. This hand is fairly bad, but if we can find no. We're gonna mulligan this as well. Okay, I guess we keep this one. I'll put that on top, because we can hit it like turn 3, or, yeah, turn 3 is a possibility. So, we'll lead off on an Arbor Elf, and we'll pass the turn. Stomping Ground into Avacyn's Pilgrim, so maybe humans? Let's see here, so we'll play another Arbor Elf, and we'll play the Tree Speaker. Actually, we shouldn't have played the Tree Speaker there. That's okay though. We can't play Arc Druid next turn now. We'll have access to 3 mana. So, well, yeah, if we draw a land, we'll get punished for that, but that's okay. We can, if they are just playing the human deck, I think we're in an okay position. I don't know what else would play these 3 colors with an Avacyn's Pilgrim in Modern right now. Our opponent may be on some jank though, just like us. So, nope, it looks like humans though. Yeah, definitely humans. Okay, well, one upside is that Thalia doesn't really hurt us at all. Yeah, we drew the land. That's a little unfortunate. So we can level up, and then we can level up again and cast Elves of Deep Shadow. Add 2, level up, and then we'll untap this land and cast Elves of Deep Shadow. So also an upside, playing against humans, we probably aren't facing down any Wraths. And I'm completely okay with this Thalia being in play. It hurts our opponent's collected companies. Thalia's Lieutenant, wow. Okay, so their stuff gets big. We can combo off of, or like even if we don't get the infinite combo, just flooding the board, we can probably race them, but it's gonna be hard if we don't like draw a Paradox Engine this turn, probably. Or maybe next turn. Maybe we can't race now. That's a lot of power. Okay, so he attacks for 4 this turn. We get down to 16, and the next turn, or I'm sorry, 5. So we get down to 15, 3, 5, 10, 17, 18, so he can attack for 18 on the next turn, so we have to block at least the Thalia if he has nothing next turn. But we don't have to this turn. I don't know what we can draw here. Land, I don't think that's it. I really don't. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and scoop. So we'll move into the sideboards. Here, definitely want the Nylea's Disciples. Beat it though. We can cut. Huh. Let's see. We can cut an Elves of Deep Shadow. Cut the Genesis Hydra. And maybe a Bestiary. Actually, no. We'll leave the Bestiary in and cut a Sprout Swarm. Actually, maybe Sprout Swarm's good enough. Because even if we aren't comboing, just being able to make blockers is... we need so much mana for it to work though. So yeah, we'll do this. Be on the play again. A little off guard. We have no payoffs, but we have a lot of mana really fast. I think we'll keep this. We'll lead off on Tree Speaker. I'll pass the turn. Okay, so Court of Calling is a good payoff. So here we'll level this up, and then we'll play 2 Mystics. Next turn we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mana. If we don't draw anything, we'll just play the Arbor Elf, and then at the end of his turn we'll cord for an Arc Druid. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. 3, 4, 5. That's really bad. Okay. So, we can't really do much here. Let's see here. So we can cord for 2 doesn't get us anything. But all we'd be getting is another Tree Speaker. That doesn't seem good. So I think we'll just try to get him to use it on a Sprout Swarm token this next turn. Unless he wants to attack for that, and then I'm okay with him attacking. That was really bad. I wasn't even thinking about Static Caster. Had I been, I would have played the Arbor Elf and a Mystic. Oh, Lord. Okay, so here we can go ahead and do that. The Sprout Swarm with buyback. Doesn't really do that much though, and they can just Static Caster away the token, and then, yeah. We can't recast this Tree Speaker. I don't know what we're gonna do. Like, our opponent had good action there. Okay. So here, we can Court for 1 doesn't do anything. We can't play Tree Speaker. I don't know how we're gonna get out of this. We don't have a way to remove the Static Caster in our deck. So, yeah. Our clock's just like way too slow. He's killing the Saproling. I guess Cord could get us a Tree Speaker, but that doesn't seem great. Could have gotten us Tree Speaker. I think I have to, like, somehow cobble together enough mana to Cord for Arc Druid and then start playing my stuff. Then if he just has a second Static Caster, like, I just scoop there. But He's attacking for 3 a turn right now. Ah. That makes it harder. He's attacking for 5 a turn. Well, will be 6 a turn, but 5 this turn if you want. Only 4, okay. This tree speaker doesn't actually work the way that I want it to. So I'm just gonna fast the turn. Yeah, I don't think I have nearly enough time. Turn 2 static caster? Lord. Okay. So yeah, I don't think we're winning this game. We're gonna keep playing. Not gonna scoop. If we can get to 6 mana, we can cord for Arc Druid and then start playing our stuff. And once we start playing our stuff, we can have a lot of mana, but I just don't think we can do it fast enough. Knight of the Reliquary, that's big. Now he attacks for 7 this turn, and lethal next turn. Yeah, I don't think we can win this one. I guess I could Sprout Swarm with Convoke if he attacks with this static caster. Or Sprout Swarm, and then use it if I draw a land to Convoke in an Arc Druid, and I'm still dead, right, though? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, good. So he's attacking for 7. Convoke in an Arc Druid. I guess I can block Convoke in Arc Druid. Yeah, okay. So if he attacks for 7 here. Not attacking with Static Caster. No! Okay, so on his end step, I'm still going to cast the Sprout Swarm. It is actually our only chance. Now, if he Static Casters, he just die. But he didn't. We didn't draw a land, so we're still just dead, I think. Because we can go, yeah, we don't have enough to get a 3-drop. Okay, so we concede. So I guess that we can wait for him to attack. I'm at 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So he doesn't quite kill me yet. I can still block with that. No, I can't. Never mind. He just static casters that. So our only chance is to play Arbor Elf. I guess I can play Arbor Elf Tree Speaker. And if he shoots down one of the creatures, no, he didn't. Okay, so yeah, so I'll do this, and then I can cord for another Tree Speaker. If he, I guess I can cord for another Tree Speaker regardless. But this way, he'll shoot down probably the Tree Speaker here. I guess no. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's okay. Shoot down the Tree Speaker now, and I'll respond to that with cord. No, I won't. Oh. I don't think there's any way for us to win this. Okay. So 1, 2. I'm sorry, 1, 4, 7. So I take 7 this turn, gain 2. Okay. He's attacking. Okay. So, okay, so we block the Knight, we block the Hierarch. Okay. Take 6. I guess that doesn't matter. This thing dies either way. I should have blocked one of these. It doesn't. It really doesn't matter though. I'm just dead. So we can cord for 1. but I don't believe this does anything. Okay, so it just didn't. Okay, well, we wouldn't have done anything anyways, so that's the game. Anyways, everybody, thanks for watching. The links to the rest of the videos, or the playlist with the rest of the videos, should be in the description. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more Magic and other video game content, and I hope to see you next time.